Chef Des here, and I want to talk about spices because in the restaurants, the cafeterias, wherever you get your curry, it is probably mediocre. Now, if you're tired of mediocre curries, you definitely need to come and see me at Flavor School of Cookery because this is what most people use and there's nothing wrong with it, but there is only so much that this packet of spices can actually do for you. Now, if you are an avid cooker at home where you like to go into the kitchen and de-stress and you like to get the pots and the pans out and throw the spices in and throw the flame on and get the heat going and sit down and eat your work afterwards, then this is definitely for you because Chef Des, that's me, loves curry. Now, I don't go to the average curry shop or curry house for a natural curry. Why? Because I am done with mediocre. I like the authentic spices. I like it when the food tastes of passion and love. And that is what you can do with your curries from now on. Now, literally next week, I have the ideal class just for you. Now, if it's not for you, it's definitely going to be for a buddy because everybody loves spices. Now, don't get me wrong, a lot of people tell me, Des, I don't like it too hot. I like to have flavour, and that's absolutely the right way to be about it. Now, there are some of us that can take the heat, hell yes. Am I one of them? Hell no. But when it comes to spices, like this one here, a lovely little garam masala, do you have it? Is it in your cupboard? Is it fresh? What about turmeric? Do you have turmeric? This is an essential spice. And these spices on this plate here are the ones that you definitely need. Some chili pepper. 2 of these bad boys will literally get your blood pumping. We have here some mixed curry powder. Essential? Not really, but hey, if you've got it in your cupboard, definitely get it into your pan. We've then got coriander and we've also got cumin. Now those are literally the essential spices. Next week, I am going to have over 55 different spices on my table and I want you to come and learn about the spices. I want you to learn about the reason why we put turmeric in or why we put garam masala in or why a chili pepper goes in at a certain time. I'd like you to come and learn why whole spices such as coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon bark, star anise are all classed as popping seeds or side condiments. Now come on down. Flavor School of Cookery has the ideal 3-week cooking class just for you. It's easy. It costs about £60 per lesson and I'm telling you, you are going to be coming home with so much Indian knowledge that literally you will be saying namaste with pure ease. It's next week Tuesday. It's a great price. Give us a call, get in touch and find out how you can turn your mediocre curries into something perfect.